Hey creators, welcome back to the Consumer Tech. Today we're diving into the best 3D printers of 2025, the ultimate machines that deliver speed, precision, and next-level innovation. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a pro maker, this list has something for you. Stick around till the end because you don't want to miss my top pick. In this video, I'll show you the best options for every budget, from affordable models for beginners to high-performance machines for professionals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which 3D printer you'd love to try in 2025. Number 5. Creality K1 SE 2024 version, best budget. Looking for an affordable yet powerful 3D printer in 2025? The Creality K1 SE 2024 version is a standout choice for budget-conscious makers who don't want to compromise on quality. Priced at around $249, this Core XY printer delivers blazing fast print speeds of up to 600 mm ROMs and a generous build volume of 220 x 220 x 250 mm, perfect for small to medium-sized projects like cosplay props or functional parts. Its hands-free auto-leveling and tri-metal nozzle ensure reliable, high-quality prints with minimal setup, making it ideal for hobbyists and beginners stepping up their game. The K1 SE supports PLA, PETG, and TPU, with a high-flow hot end reaching 300 degrees C for versatile material compatibility. Wi-Fi connectivity and a 4.3-inch touchscreen add modern convenience, allowing remote print management via Creality's app. While it lacks an enclosure, limiting ABS printing, its open-source ecosystem and vibrant community support make upgrades and maintenance a breeze. Some users note occasional software glitches, but firmware updates are steadily improving performance. For those seeking value without sacrificing speed or precision, the K1 SE is a budget beast that punches above its weight, earning its spot as the best budget 3D printer of 2025. Whether you're printing gadgets or prototypes, this machine delivers exceptional results for the price. Check it out for a cost-effective entry into high-speed 3D printing. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo, best for beginners. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo is the ultimate beginner-friendly 3D printer for 2025, priced at approximately $399. Its compact 180 x 180 x 180 mm build volume is perfect for small spaces, yet it delivers professional-grade prints with a max speed of 500 mm. The AMS Light system enables vibrant multicolor printing, making it a hit for creating colorful decor or articulated toys. With full auto calibration, including flow rate compensation and a quiet operation at 40 HDB, it's as user-friendly as it gets, ideal for classrooms or home use. The A1 Mini supports PLA, PETG, TPU, and even PVA for dissolvable supports, with a 300 degrees hot end for flexibility. Its Wi-Fi connectivity and Bambu Handy app allow remote monitoring and time-lapse recording, adding a fun, modern touch. The bedslinger design with linear rails ensures smooth, high-speed prints, though its smaller build volume limits larger projects. Some users report occasional calibration hiccups, but Bambu's frequent firmware updates keep it reliable. The A1 Mini's plug-and-play setup, vibrant community, and sleek design make it a joy for newbies and seasoned makers alike. If you're starting your 3D printing journey and want a hassle-free, feature-packed machine, the A1 Mini Combo is your go-to choice for 2025. Number 3. Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo, best for precision. For makers prioritizing precision in 2025, the Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo, priced around $600, is a top-tier choice. This Core XY printer boasts a 250 x 250 x 260 mm build volume, ideal for detailed models like miniatures or engineering prototypes. With print speeds up to 500 mm and a Levi Q 2.0 auto-leveling system, it delivers crisp, accurate prints with minimal effort. The Ace Pro filament changer supports 4-color printing and active filament drying, ensuring vibrant, high-quality results with PLA, PETG, TPU, and ABS. Its enclosed design and 300 degrees C hot end make it suitable for advanced materials, while vibration dampening minimizes artifacts at high speeds. Wi-Fi connectivity and app control add convenience, though some users mention software could be more polished. The Cobra S1's direct drive extruder and PEI build plate ensure excellent adhesion and easy print removal. While it's pricier than budget options, its precision and multi-material capabilities justify the cost for serious hobbyists and small businesses. Backed by Anycubic's growing community, this printer shines for those demanding fine details and reliability. If precision is your goal, the Cobra S1 Combo is a stellar pick for 2025. Number 2, Creality K2 Plus Combo, Best Smart Multi-Material. The Creality K2 Plus Combo, priced at around $1,699, is a game changer for multi-material printing in 2025. With a massive 350 AIGIC 350 x 350mm build volume, it's perfect for large-scale projects like cosplay armor or industrial prototypes. The included CFS Creality filament system supports up to 16 colors, making it a dream for complex, vibrant designs. Its actively heated build chamber and 300°C C hot-end handle advance materials like ABS, ASA, and carbon fiber with ease, while the Core XY system ensures speeds up to 600mm without sacrificing quality. AI-assisted features like layer defect scanning and dual cameras for 1080p monitoring enhance its smart capabilities. The K2 Plus is fully assembled with auto-leveling and a 4.3-inch touchscreen for seamless operation. Its enclosed design reduces noise and fumes, though its high price and size may deter casual users. Some report extruder wear with heavy use, but Creality's support and open-source community offer solutions. For makers needing a smart, versatile printer for multi-material projects, the K2 Plus Combo is a top contender in 2025, blending innovation and scale. Number 1, Prusa Core 1, Best for Accuracy. Topping our 2025 list, the Prusa Core 1, priced at approximately $199.99, is the gold standard for accuracy. With a 250 x 220 x 270mm heated build volume and a high-flow 0.4 mesh BHT nozzle, upgradable to 0.25 meters, it delivers unparalleled precision for prototypes, functional parts, and intricate designs. Supporting PLA, PETG, ABS, PC, and TPU, its 360-degree cooling system masters overhangs without supports, while Input Shaper technology ensures vibration-free prints at 200m. The Prusa Core 1's open-source design, backed by a passionate community, allows endless customization from firmware tweaks to laser engraver add-ons. Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and Prusa Slicer integration make it user-friendly with a fully assembled option for hassle-free setup. Its MMU3 upgrade enables 5-color printing, rivaling premium multi-material systems. While pricier than budget models, its reliability and non-Chinese manufacturing appeal to purists. Minor assembly quirks may arise with the kit version, but Prusa's stellar support resolves issues quickly. For professionals, educators, or hobbyists demanding top-tier accuracy and flexibility, the Prusa Core 1 is the ultimate 3D printer of 2025.